Hi guys, good day. Welcome again to Table Time with Chef Ravi. I'm doing a Caribbean dish. A lot of folks love curry, they love stew, but today I'm going to make a twist. I'm going to make a curry stew. So I'm going to show you guys today what that whole dish is comprised of. Main ingredients is the chicken, right? And the chicken is really cut up nice and clean, washed with lime. And we have a bunch of nice herbs from the Caribbean. We have some garlic, cilantro, culantro, tomato, ginger, garlic. We have our curry, salt, black pepper, and seasoning here. A little bit of those seasoning just to marinate. I actually marinate our chicken with this seasoning, and there's a lot of love in here. Now this seasoning is unbelievable. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add my black pepper. All I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have to add 3 tablespoons actually of curry in here. We had 1 before, 2, and this is number 3. Right, so we have, these are the main things here so far. So I'm gonna really mix this up. So it could sit for a few minutes. See how that looks, and you have that nice look, curry look, and you have a nice curry flavor. You see, when you're making this dish, you don't want to go too much on the curry side or too much on the stew side. The combination of the colors looks good. Really, really. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do this curry stew chicken in our 9-quart braise. Put this on to medium heat. Remember, when you're using the Salad Master cooking system, you cook on medium low. Now, one of the main ingredients here now, we talk about the curry stew. I'm gonna get the brazier pan up to medium heat, and I'm gonna put sugar. You're making a stew, so you need sugar. You know, normally you put oil in here to brown your sugar and all this stuff. We're not doing that. That's the beauty of this Salad Master product. It's amazing. So I just throw my sugar in there, and I'm gonna spread it out a little bit so it could caramelize. So guys, look at this point. Look at our sugar, how it caramelizing. See that nice, lovely color. And again, we didn't use any oil. So now I'm gonna place my chicken straight in there. You get a nice little steam. So this is how we pretty much get our curry stew cooking. And I'm gonna set this for a few with the natural oils and everything from the chicken. So we're gonna let that sit for about 3 minutes. Now you're clear with me with the process of doing the curry stew. We season it with the curry and the other seasonings, and then we brown our sugar and then place our chicken in there. So when both of them combine, you get that nice curry stew flavor. I'm gonna add the culantro, which is our onions, ginger and garlic, and some peppers. Alright? And most of all, some pimento pepper. Looks very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna cover it at 9-quart brazier cover. So guys, it's been 30 minutes now. So let's take a look at our chicken and see where we at, right? So let me grab my spoon and let's raise this cover. Check this out. Isn't this cool? And I believe it's ready. So what we're gonna do, let's take a piece out and try it. That's the only way to know. And how it tastes, right? So I'm gonna actually cover it back, take the stove off. So let's try this. It's pretty hot, so you don't burn your mouth. This is delicious. Tender and juicy. It's really hot. So guys, thank you for joining Table Time with Chef Ravi, and hope to see you all again.